Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Mary here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find Instagram friends on Facebook. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram app. On the bottom right corner, tap on profile icon. When you enter on your profile page, on the top right corner, tap on three-lined icon. Here you got the different options. Tap on settings and privacy. When you enter on settings and privacy, tap on account center. Scroll down and tap on accounts. Make sure both of your Facebook and Instagram account are linked together, and also your Facebook and Instagram must be logged in. After that, head over to Facebook app. On the top right corner, tap on three-lined icon. When you enter on your profile page, you got the different options. Tap on find friends. Then once you are on find friends, this will suggest all of the friends that are linked between Instagram and Facebook. So it will show you a bunch of people that your friends are linked in. So go through the list and it will populate all of the people on Instagram you are your friends with, and you can add them on Facebook as well. And this is how we find Instagram friends on Facebook. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on next tutorial.